The air intake pipe is connected to the air tank. Gas needs to be high purity nitrogen or argon. Connect the machine and water tank power supplies respectively. The power supply voltage is 220 V. Need to connect a live wire, a neutral wire, and a ground wire. This is the water inlet. Open the lid. Need to add purified water or distilled water. Add to full. Close the lid. This is the drain valve. It is recommended to change the water every 2 to 3 months. The power cord is connected, the air pipe is connected, and the water tank is filled with water. Turn on the air switch. Turn the emergency stop button and turn the system on. The screen lights up. Turn on the water-cooled switch. The laser button can only be turned on when the water temperature in the water tank reaches 22 degrees C or above. Wait for the water tank to heat up. When it reaches 22 degrees Celsius or above, turn on the laser. Prepare a piece of white paper. Now the red light is leaning to the right. Adjust the red light to the center position on the system. Click Wobble Disable. Click System Pairs. Click Offset. The X-axis controls the red light to move left and right. Now the red light is leaning to the right. The X-axis needs to move to the left. Click the left direction button. The red light moves to the middle position. Click Return. Click Return. Adjust the power to 300 W. Click Laser Disable. Click Lock On. Twist the bolts loose. Adjust the scale tube to the innermost position. Attach the safety ground clip to the welding gun. Find a stainless steel or iron plate greater than or equal to 2 mm. Aim at the plate and long press the trigger button to light up. Find the point with the strongest energy and the most sparks when emitting light from far to near. This distance is the positive focus of the welding gun. Estimate the correct focus position. Twist the bolts loose. Pull out the scale tube to the estimated positive focus position. Slightly tighten the bolts. Light test to find the correct focus position. Locking bolt. Click Process Library. Select Welding Materials. Select Thickness. Click Export. Click Laser Disable. Attach the safety ground clip to the workbench. No wire welding. The two pieces of material need to fit tightly without gaps. Welding without wire is suitable for thin plates of 2 mm and below. Click Weld Bead Cleaning. When replacing the weld bead cleaning component, the focal length is the same as the welding focal length and does not need to be changed. Replace the special scale tube for weld bead cleaning. The focus of welding is consistent with the focus of weld bead cleaning. Click, wobble frec. Adjust frequency to minimum. Click, wobble length. Set width to minimum. Click, laser power. Adjust power to maximum. Click, system pairs. Click, offset. Remove the welding nozzle. Install cutting nozzle. Prepare a piece of white paper. Adjust the red light to the center position on the system. Now the red light is in the center. Click, lock on. No one is allowed in front of the gun head. No safety ground clamp required for cutting. Cutting needs to adjust the air pressure to 0.5 mpa. Tilt 45 degrees for cutting. Turn off laser. Click, system pairs. Click, authorization. Change welding mode to cleaning mode. Click, welder. Please enter the password, 666,666. The maximum cleaning range of 4-in-1 is 80 mm. Click, clean 80 mm. Follow the on-screen steps. This is the dust-proof assembly and the focus assembly, the Allen wrench. Replace focus lens. The scale tube is replaced with the dust-proof component. Remove 4 screws. Remove the dust cover. Pull out the welding focus lens. Seal it with paper tape to prevent dust from entering. Seal the welding focusing lens with paper tape. When holding the focusing mirror, do not touch the mirror surface with your fingers. Take out the cleaning focus lens. Position the round hole toward the rear when installing. Remove the dust-proof paper tape. Cover the dust cover and install the 4 screws. Replacing dust-proof components. Unscrew the bolts and remove the original assembly. Remove 4 screws. Remove the welded components. Dust-proof components need to be installed separately. Install 4 screws. Install the dust nozzle. After completing the installation according to the steps, click Confirm. Power on again. Shut down the system. Wait 3 seconds to restart the system. Wait for the screen to light up. The cleaning components have been installed according to the steps. Click Confirm. Click Laser Power. Adjust the power to the maximum power of this machine. Click Scan Length. Adjust width to maximum. Click Stop Cleaning. Turn on the laser. For cleaning, requires adjusting the air pressure to 0.5 mPa. Double-click the trigger button continuously, press and hold it, the laser will light up. Wire auto feeder. This is motor. Open the pressure column. Remove the wire feed roller. Select the material and diameter of the welding wire, and select the corresponding wire feed wheel. The 1.0 wire used now corresponds to the 1.0 wire feed wheel. When installing, the side with the diameter is on the inside. Install the fixing screws. Take this off first. Here is the retaining pin. Align the round hole with the fixing pin. Lock. Pass the wire through the wire feed motor. Lock the pressure wheel. Use the tapered end of the wire tube. Loosen the screw. Adjust the wire feed tube to the video position. Locking screw. Lock the pressure wheel. Wire feeder signal line and power line. Plug the signal cable and power cable correspondingly and lock them. Turn on the wire feeder switch. Click Feeding Pairs. Click Continue Feed. After wire feeding is completed, click Continue Feed. Unscrew the screw. Pass the wire feed tube through. Take out the wire feed tube from the accessory box. Connect the wire feed guide to the wire feed tube. Fasten the screw nut. Take out the wire feeding copper nozzle. Install and lock. Adjust the wire feed tube to the video position. Fixing screws. Click Process Library. Select welding materials. Select thickness. Click Export. Click Laser Disable. Click Auto Feeding Off. Tilt 45 degrees for welding. Replacing energy storage welding module. Remove 3 screws. Install 3 screws. Select System Parameters. Select Authorization. Select Welder. Enter password 666,666. Enable Energy Storage Welding Mode. Press Confirm. System will power off. Wait 10-15 seconds. Reboot system. Press Confirm. Preview open. Verify nozzle air purge function. Press Laser Disable. Adjust scale to 0 position and lock. Double-click button, then long press on second click. Replace welding module. Note, new module is shorter than previous. Focal length adjustment required. Change scan type. Adjust rectangle dimensions L, W. To increase spiral pattern density. Preview open. Laser enable. Locate point with maximum spark intensity. Align nozzle to optimal spark position. Tighten all screws. Ensure red beam stays within rectangle boundary. Double-click button, then long press on second click. Modify number of scans. Set to 3. Three consecutive welds at same position. Turn off laser. Turn off water chiller. Turn off system. Press emergency stop.